In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install the Epson L130 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed at the description box below. You would be able to see a link there. All you need to do is you need to copy it. Once you have copied it successfully, proceed to the Google Chrome, open that one. And here at the address bar, please paste the link that you have copied. So once you've pasted it, hit the enter key in your keyboard and in that way you'd be navigated to this page. So here, wait until you get to see a drop-down menu where you can manually select the operating system. Click on this down arrow key and please choose for the Windows 11. However, if Windows 11 is not available for this printer driver, just select for Windows 10 64-bit since Windows 10 64-bit works well for Windows 11. So once you've set it, the page will be refreshed again and there you can see this kind of option. So please proceed to the drivers. The moment you click on it, you'll be able to see the printer driver for the L130. There you can see a download option aligning to it. Click on that one. And eventually you'll be navigated to a new window or a new page where here it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on accept and in that way you can now start the downloading process. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then wait for a while until it would be successfully downloaded. Once completed, you can now proceed to the top right corner. You can see their download icon, click on that one, and there you can see the file. So click on this folder icon and here in this kind of location, please make a right click while selecting it and click on this cat icon. Once you have copied it, you need to close the window. And here at the desktop, we need to move it here. So by that, make a right click and click on paste. Once done, we need to proceed to the extraction or unzipping of this file. So you can double tap to unzip or extract it, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool if you have one. Go with WinRAR and go with extract to L130. Once you've extracted it, a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Then this is the time that we will now start the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. So by that here at the start, make a right click, then scroll up and click on the settings. Now here at the settings, you need to proceed to the left side. There you can see Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one. And here at the Bluetooth and devices section, you need to proceed to the printers and scanners. Click on it. And here in this section, you'll get to see this add device. Click on that option and wait until you'll get to reveal another option where you can manually add a printer. Once it's here, directly click on add manually and in a few seconds you would be able to open this window where you can add a printer by other options. So please select for add the local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on the next and click on this down arrow key and here you need to choose any of these three USB port. So it could be one, two, or three, no other than that. So by that click on next. Go with have disk and you need to go with the browse. Now proceed to the desktop and then scroll down here on the list and there you can see the extracted file. Please double tap once again and again double tap until you get to see this driver. So select on that, click on the open and click on the OK button to continue. And there you can see the printer, click on next and please rename that. So in my case, I'll be renaming it into Epson L130. Click on the next and you can now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. click on finished, and that's it. You just have completed the installation of the Epson L130 here in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.